Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Rekha and you are watching your own channel Crafty-noons. Hope you all are doing great. In today's video, I am going to share 4 beautiful planters made out of waste plastic containers of curd. These are easy to make and even kids can make them in no time. Before I start the video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon so that you will not miss the notifications of my newly uploaded videos. So without any further ado, let's jump into the first DIY. First I washed all the cups. I am painting them with white plastic paint. I am using foam here instead of brush. It will give it a matte finish and coverage will be great even with one coat. You can use dabber as well if you have. Cut the various pieces out of glitter sheet. I chose triangle shape and pasting them with the help of hot glue on the planter. I am pasting them on the base only. You can apply acrylic color instead of white paint. Our beautiful planter is ready now. I hope you like this DIY. I have painted all the planters with white paint. I am using orange acrylic color and with the help of tip of finger making the flowers on the pot. This process is very easy and satisfying. Now I am using white acrylic color. I am making the dots in the same manner. Making the center part of the flower with black permanent marker. Now making the leaves with green color. So easy and kids will definitely enjoy doing this. These cups can be used as stationery holders as well. If you want to use them as planters, then make a hole at the bottom. This one is also looking amazing and I loved the process of making it. Our beautiful planter is ready now. I hope you like this DIY. So let's move to the third one. I kept the base white for this planter as well, making the design with black permanent marker. I thought of drawing whirly art onto this planter, which looks amazing and easy to draw as well. This art is contemporary and in trend nowadays. Draw the figures made with triangles. Make the border near the rim to give it a complete and finished look. You can make the pattern of your choice as well. Last planter is equally beautiful. Using same marker, I am drawing some pattern here. Arabic kind of pattern as we draw in Mehndi I am drawing here. The process is really satisfying. You would also love and enjoyed this process. It looks amazing. I thought of writing something motivating, so I wrote "Believe" on the side of this design. It's really looking awesome. That's enough for today's video. Guys, I hope you liked all the planters. I like the Whirly planter most. Which was your favorite? Please let me know in the comment section. You can use them as vase, stationery holder and planters as well. If you are going to use them as planters, then don't forget to give a coat of varnish onto them. If you really like the DIYs, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Do comment in the section below. So see you soon in the next video with more amazing DIYs. Till then, better take care of your health, stay home, stay safe, be crafty. Bye bye.